Hello you guys. So today I'm going to show you some of the earbuds on my hand. So one come from the no-name brand Ovevo from China, and one come from Samsung Gear IconX, the edition 2018. This is the latest version of Samsung. So let's take a look at the Ovevo first. So this one, Ovevo, you can buy from the China online market. AliExpress is belong to the Alibaba. So the price is around $50. So is the case look nice, right? It's look metals. So it's a swipe left and right, left and right to open and close the box. So it looks nice. It's very small. So after a few months experience, so the sound quality is very good. The bass is strong, but the Bluetooth connection is very poor. Sometimes when you go out for the exercise and you're running, so it's sometimes disconnected on the left ear. And sometimes a bit slow, 1 second to the connection. You can listen to the music, sometimes it's interruption. So it's one of the minus of this no-name brand Ovevo, but it's worth the money, right? $50 is worth the money. But the design is good for anyone who like to listen to the music, stay at home stably. And let's take a look at the Samsung Gear IconX 2018 edition. Let's unbox. The silver color is very limited out there in the market. So this one I bought from Amazon. The price $180. More expensive than the black color. When you can search into internet, the black color is very so many stores are selling the black color. But the silver color is very limited out there, so the price also more expensive, $20 than the black colors. So you see the design. If you know about the Zebra's design, this one similar to the Zebra Sport design. I'm not talking about the sound quality. The Zebra sound quality is very good, right? So this one is aseptic. So you can see two LED lights on the left and on the right. And on the back side is flashing the light like green and red and sometimes yellow. So green is mean the case is full of the battery inside. So on the right side you can see the LED, so the green color, that's mean the full battery of the left and right also. So green color is a full battery for the earbud inside. So you don't need to charge anymore. The case is very small, so it stops charging for the earbuds inside when the earbud get full battery inside. So it's Ovevo. It's $50 for the earbuds, choose wireless earbuds. Okay, let's keep it aside. Today we are reviewing the Samsung Gear IconX, the version 2018, silver colors, brand new. So here's the latest Samsung Gear IconX, the latest edition 2018 of the Samsung. So this one I bought from Amazon, $180. More expensive, $20 than the black color. So actually the black color is not difficult to find in the market. So you can search on the internet all the store that's selling the black color there. And the price also cheaper than the silver color, $20. I don't know why, but maybe about the consumption. Most of the user they like the silver color, so it's become more luxury than the black colors. And you see the design, Samsung design look. The earbud is more luxury and beautiful. It's a big update from the last Gear IconX 2016, 2 years ago. The big improvement is the battery life. So according to Samsung, it can stay alive 5 hours for the streaming. When you connect to the phone, both Android and iOS phone, is 5 hours. And if you use the earbuds standalone without connectivity to your phone, it can stay alive up to 7 hours. Up to 7 hours, you believe? Because it's all 4 GB to store all your favorite music, up to 1,000 of songs. So you enjoy the music without connectivity to your phone and leave your phone behind. So it's a big update, right? 7 hours. Even Apple AirPods. So Apple AirPods is only around 4 to 5 hours. Always. So 7 hours is a big update. According to me, it's enough for me. It's enough for me. So sometimes I go for the fitness, so I don't need to bring my phone with me. About the sound quality, in my opinion, the sound quality is above average. So we cannot compare to the Bose 3 or even the J Plus series. So those branding, the sound quality is good because they are expert about the sound adjustment, right? But the Samsung Gear IconX, the sound quality is above average. It's almost similar, same to the Apple AirPods, the sound quality like that. But so the first time when you connect to your phone with the Samsung Gear apps, so Samsung require you to make an update of the firmware for the Gear IconX. So in their firmware you can have the function to increase the bass controls, boost the bass, so you can enjoy the music more with the strong bass. And also one more function is ambient sound. So on that option you turn on ambient sound, so it's enhance the voice around you. So when you go outside very noisy around there with the vehicles, so you can hear what the people saying around you without removing the earbuds. So that's very good function. And also the ear tips is come along with the box. It's very soft and tight to your ear, so you will feel comfortably when you wear the earbud for a long time with your workouts. So about the touch control is one of my favorite functions also. So it's a plus of the Samsung earbuds. It's a full control of the touch controls. So if you press one, it's play and pause the music. If you double press, it's play the next song or answer the phone call. If you triple press the button, it come back to the previous song. Or if you press and hold the button, it show you a menu of the functioning, so you can use. So like you can use the Bixby to ask for the weather, to how to call somebody without taking the phone out, or you can change the favorite song playlist or something like that. And when you put back the earbud into the case, it automatically charges the earbud. And when you remove the earbuds from the case, it also connect to your phone automatically without reconnect to the phone again, and it takes your times. So this function I see the Apple AirPods also has the same, but it's convenient to the people with the everyday connect and disconnect and connect and disconnect. It takes time a lot. And last but not least, this one is switch proof. Switch proof. That means you can use this earbud with your daily activity. You do the exercise, you work out, you running, you have the more switch. It's switch proof. It doesn't matter at all. Or even if you go in the rain with the light water inside, it's no matter at all. But I don't recommend you to use this one to go for a swim Some people they make the video on YouTube and they test the water with this earbud in the swimming pool, but I really don't recommend that. You see, even I shake my head like this, but the earbuds stays in my ear without fanning out. The ear tips come along with the box are soft and tight, so you know it can make you feel comfortably during a few hours of working out. According to Samsung, the earbud is water resistant on the website, so you know you can use the earbud with your daily activity with a Swiss proof, or even you can use it in the rain. It's not a matter at all. So in this video, I don't recommend you to use your earbuds to going for a swim like this, you know, because Samsung will not make any warranty for you if the water get inside to the earbuds. So take your own risk. Center with the wire-free without any connectivity to your phone. You want to leave your phone behind, so the key IconX can stay alive for around 7 hours. So if you feel like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to leave your comment below whether you want to buy the key IconX.